Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Did you know that Temu offers ways to earn free money or rewards that you can use for discounts or even products? In today's video, I'll show you all the methods to get free money on the Temu app in 2024. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the Temu app on your phone and make sure that you have been logged into your account. After that, click on the U option. Click on the option saying earn credits and free gifts. From here, you can see bunch of options through which you can get items for free or get a heavy discount on different items. This is one of a method, and another method is by going and clicking on the search box and search for an option of rebate 100. From this, you will be prompted to this page through which you can get heavy discounts on different items as well as mystery gifts which you can grab for free. So this was it guys. This is the process how you can get free money as well as heavy discounts on the Temu app. And if this video helped you guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to comment as well. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.